Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make cream cheese filled pumpkin crumb muffins. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. So let's get started with this recipe. First, preheat the oven to 375 degrees. To make the cream cheese filling, in a small bowl, add in the softened cream cheese and powdered sugar. Mix them with an electric mixer on low speed until they're combined. Then beat it on medium-high speed for another minute until the mixture is light. Then scoop 12 tablespoon-sized portions onto a sheet pan lined with parchment paper. And place them into the freezer until they're firm. To make the crumb topping, in a medium bowl, add in the rolled oats, which is optional. Flour, use more if you're choosing to leave out the oats. Brown sugar, cinnamon, and salt, and mix them until they're well combined. Then cut up the butter into small cubes. Add it into the flour mixture. And press and rub the butter with some of the flour mixture between your fingers until the mixture is combined and crumbly, but still has some large chunks of butter. Set it aside for now. To make the pumpkin muffins, in a small or medium bowl, add in the flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, and cloves, and whisk them until they're combined. And set it aside for now. Then into a large bowl, add in the egg and brown sugar, and beat them with a whisk for 30 seconds to a minute until the mixture lightens in color. Then slowly pour in the melted butter while whisking. Then add in the pumpkin puree. Make sure it's pure pumpkin and not pumpkin pie mix. And vanilla extract. And whisk them in until they're combined. Add in the dry ingredients. And mix them in until they're just combined. Don't overmix the batter. Grease a muffin pan well with cooking spray or softened butter, or line them with paper liners. Add a small scoop of the pumpkin batter into each muffin cup. Remove the frozen cream cheese filling balls from the freezer and add them on top of the batter, and press it down so the batter covers the bottom of the pan. Then add another small scoop of the batter on top of it, filling it up no more than 3/4 of the way full. And smooth out the top as best as you can. Then add the crumb topping on top of each one, filling it all the way to the top of the muffin cups. And lightly pack it so it sticks. Then bake them in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes or until they're browned on top and a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. When they're done, remove them from the oven and let them cool for at least 10 minutes. Then carefully remove each one from the pan. And you can serve them still warm or at room temperature. And that's how to make cream cheese filled pumpkin crumb muffins. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a like and check out my channel for many more videos and subscribe to my channel for more to come. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.